Hi everyone, this is a headlights video on how to install color changing LED strip lights for kitchen cabinets. Now to get started, we have to find a location for a power source. Then measure the kitchen cabinets so you know how many feet of strip lights you will need to use. Once you measure the kitchen cabinets, mark a spot with a pen or pencil and drill a hole to reach the power source in the cabinet below. Next, we are going to need to add 2 feet of 4-pin multicolor wiring to go through the drilled hole to reach the power source. This is done by cutting off the 4-pin plug located at the end of the spool of strip lights and using a wire stripping tool to remove ½ an inch of insulation off the wires so that you can take wire nuts and twist the wires together to make your connection. After pulling the extra 4-pin multicolor wiring down to the cabinet below, use wire nuts to attach a 4-pin plug to the end of the wiring on the inside of the cabinet. Now it's time to cut the LED strip lights to the desired length and peel back the standard 3M adhesive so you can stick the strip lights to the top of the cabinet for a final installation. Now since the LED strip lights are in place, we can plug in our 60-watt UL listed power source into the standard wall outlet. The power source then plugs directly into the MyLight RGB receiver, which has options for both a DC plug and bare wires. Because the strip lights are installed on both sides of the cabinet, we will need to use the RGB Y splitter to connect all the strip lights in the kitchen to one controller. Make sure that the arrows on both the receiver and the Y splitter are facing each other. Now, tape the 4-pin plug attached to the end of the multicolor wiring and connect it to the Y splitter. Again, make sure that the arrows are lined up on either side. The final step is to take the MyLight Wi-Fi hub and plug it into a USB port. This allows the user to control their LED strip lights from a smartphone or tablet when paired with the MyLight RGB receiver.